Welcome to my unicorner, my own little corner where I can just be me, unique as a unicorn. Ooh, that's weird. I think I feel something in my sock. That gives me a bright idea. It's time for unsocksing. It seems empty. Oh wait, I think there's something in here. There's a block in my sock, and it has the letter U on it. U is for unicorn, my favorite, see? Hey, I think there's something else in here. A ukulele? Are you kidding me? U is for ukulele. Sock, sock, sock. How did ukulele get in my sock? Thank you very much. Hang on. I think there's something way deep inside. An umbrella? How did that even fit in there? U is also for umbrella. Now I can sing in the rain. I hope I don't let my fancy socks get all wet. Wow, it's a good thing I'm under my umbrella. Well, I never would have guessed all those things were in my sock. It just goes to show you, when you dig down deep, you never know what you're going to find. Thanks for visiting, and remember, wherever your socks take you, be bold, be you, be unicorn. See ya!
Hey everyone, Marvy here. Wasn't that awesome? Click here to subscribe and get more awesome videos every week. Go ahead, click it. Click it. I'll wait right here.